It's official. The snowmobile has actually gone out on the trails. Did some work on it just before going here. I'm going to show you a few things that I did to get it up and running and ready to go on the road. One of the first and most important things I did is I got a spare belt for it. This was one of the most important things I could possibly do here in case the belt were to fail while I was out riding, which can happen. Last thing I want to do is be stranded without a belt on it. So I'd have to wait for somebody else with a tow strap to come bring me back. That wouldn't be fun. Thankfully, that didn't happen, but I needed to get a spare belt. I also adjusted the brakes. Problem was, see, I got a parking brake. And see, now it moves. With the parking brake enabled, it doesn't move. Prior to that, it was moving even with the parking brake enabled. Ooh, I got a gas leak. Well, that's a problem. Okay, I'll have to deal with that one. Let me shut the gas off then. As you can see, this thing here, you pull it out, a little stiff, but if you pull it out and turn it, you can adjust the tension on the brakes, and that's all it needed. Parking brakes works. The brakes work quite well now. That's unexpected. It's leaking gas down there. Well, I guess I got some work to do on this machine after all. This is what we're trying to work out the bugs, so. Oh well, good thing I came out here and looked at that. I also readjusted the idle speed on it a little bit more too. Brought it up just a hair because it kept stalling. So I brought the idle speed up a little bit. And of course the most important thing I had to do too, outside of the belt, I had to register it. So it's registered in New Hampshire, because that's where we went riding. So I didn't shoot a lot of video on the ride itself. I was more focused on the riding and things like that. And I was with other people, so I was spending more time keeping up with them than I was actually filming footage or anything, but here's what I shot. First real snowmobile adventure here in Freedom, New Hampshire at the moment, by Ospey Lake. My friend, Craig, we're about to go out on a little bit of an adventure today. Beautiful view of the White Mountains. A site called the Chimney. Seems to be a popular destination. Obviously named as the Chimney. Pretty amazing view up here. Riding's been interesting, but I'm getting tired. Looking forward to heading back now. Didn't shoot a lot of video. I was actually busy riding and playing keep up with the other guys I was riding with because I'm a bit slower than they are, so I didn't have a lot of time for video. But I survived my first snowmobiling adventure. Let's see. Went about 30 miles today, so that was good. It was a good day. Good experience. They put me through some tough challenges too that I wasn't expecting, so it was a lot of fun. I have much to learn about driving with trailers. So that trip was a lot of fun. I learned a lot about the snowmobile, how to ride it, things like that. Found out a few other little tweaks I'm going to do to it. I want to work on the suspension there. Looks like it may need some adjustment, maybe a new shock on the rear suspension. It was also suggested that I upgrade the carbides to a double carbide on it. It will give me better steering and control over it too, so we'll have to work on that too. So some upcoming projects. Well, we'll see what we have for some work to do on the sled here and some upcoming videos in the future. But in the meantime, I gotta fix that leak, I guess, and we'll have it ready for the next adventure. Anyway, sorry the video was kind of short this time, but thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. Love to hear some comments if you have anything to say about it. And otherwise, if you've been enjoying these things, definitely please subscribe, give me a like, and just let me know what you think. Alright, we'll talk to everybody later.